Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a EPIQ Blender. Brand comes for EPIQ. I'm purchasing this one from NATO supermarket based on Copenhagen, Denmark. This is a originally based Danish company, and I'm purchasing this blender just only 149 Danish krona. This one comes from 500 volt 1.5 liter capacity of this jar. I'm making juice also using this blender. So now let's start unboxing. The box number one, and yes, now this blender is empty. As usual, the magic booklet. If you have no idea how to use, you can use this booklet. Even I have 30 days return policy as well. So one of the important points, specific grips is like a vacuum created grip. So it's, if you fix this one, so not easy to move here and there. It's really good. Look at this. So yes, this one is nice. Now I just open this one, this jar, I think so. So in this box they are providing one jar. That's it, easy. Oh, this one, just only one disadvantage of this one. This one is a glass, but yeah, you can feel like in Indian mixie like this. So now I will show you how to make juice. So that point of view, we need to visit on my kitchen. So let's come together. So this is our jar, and this is my pineapple. I just simply cut like this, and I directly put it here. The capacity is 1.5 liters, so you can make juice like 3-4 people at a time. So now I add here milk, almost entire milk. Now I need add some sugar, and now I fix like this. Put it this one. Speed 2. No need to touch. Without touch you can do this one, but initially you need to press little bit, and perfect. One more important point, if you want add some water, so you can just simply remove this one, and look at this, you can put it the water as well here also. With 2 speed the water is not falling down, and then the fix. The one of the important points come here, just only one hand, and you can use this one. This is not coming because of this one is very fixed and strong. Our juice is ready. Look at this, the 2 glasses full. Make juice at a time 6 to 7 people using the 1.5 liter jar. If you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.